Hey guys, it's me and I'm doing a slime video today. Lots of you have requested for it, so I'm going to do it for you guys. And the ingredients that you need is some soap and some Tresemme. I've got this one. I don't know what kind of Tresemme it is, so I'll get onto the video. First off, you need something to mix it. I've just got this capsule and something to stir with. I've just got this. First, put your Tresemme in. I've tried this so it does work. And then, put your soap in. Just a few squirts, and then get your mixing tool and mix it up. I'm not going to show you this one because I've just done another slime tutorial, so I'll show you how that one went on. So, bye guys, I hope you like it. You need to put it in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes, but keep on checking and stirring. And I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to be a cupcake, and don't forget to like. Bye.